How to add new email on PayPal account. So first of all, launch PayPal application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on your profile. From here, you can directly tap on Contact Info. From here, go ahead and tap on See All beside Email. Now, at the bottom, tap on Add a New Email. Now, enter in your email address. Now, below it, you can see a box that says Make this your primary email. You can uncheck this box as well. Now, after this, make sure that you enter the email address that has been registered to PayPal. Now, after this step, you would be getting a verification code on your new email address that you are about to set up. You would have to enter the verification code, and after that, you would be able to add a new email address on your PayPal account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.